Oh, much quieter. So what we need to do now, folks, I need to give you guys a follow-up. 178,000 on this Honda. This is the one we just did. The cat, or we found that the cat was plugged. So we have a New Jersey, New York emissions compliant converter now installed, and we need to take it for a rip. The guy said, don't worry about the tires. He said he's good. He's going to drive her back to Jersey. Probably not going to make it, in my opinion, but not my problem. So I put a little air in them. We're going to be driving on some slicks here, and it is raining, so that's good. It's a little excitement. All right, let's rock and roll. See if we got our power back. Oh yeah, that's quick. Oh crap, can't see. Should have left them off. All right, we're gonna leave those off. They don't work. That's convenient. Wow. Well, the good news is the converter's new. Let's try to look at the bright side of things here, folks. We'll go out here, we'll do a whole shot with it, make sure it's got power, but man, this wheel is shaking like cray-cray over here. It must be, I assume it has maybe a broken belt. We're going awful slow. We're only going 35 and that wheel's shaking pretty good. I wouldn't want to drive it however many 100 miles it is back to wherever it's got to go. But like I say, whoa, no brakes, no brakes, no brakes. There we go. Woo! Yeah, no brakes, baby. That's fun until it's not. All right, we're gonna do a little coaster here because we got no brakes. You didn't need brakes before because you didn't have no power. Oh yeah, she's full VTEC. That's probably as fast as we should go. All right, well, I think we're all satisfied. Oh, this is like final destination right here. If that was a log truck, I'd be really scared. All right, we lived. Woo, hashtag survivor. We made it back to the shop. Besides having no wipers and no brakes and no tires and a bunch of other things wrong, it also has no AC, so it's getting hot in here. And that's that. Not getting too deep with this one. Converter was plugged. The converter itself, the one underneath that we replaced, once I got it out, I could see that the debris in it, it was missing, you know, a good quarter of its own capacity. So it was its own chunks, jiggly bits in there, I guess. I guess what I'm saying is it wasn't from the front converters. Not uncommon on these Hondas, but seeing the, you know, the oil and stuff in here, I can only assume that this thing burns oil, and you know, that's probably why what happened, you know, happened. But whoa, dude, thundering out now. So yeah, I guess that's it. We're moving on, fixing the rest of that stuff. I mean, that's up to this guy. I was here to address the no power complaint, and that is it, and that's what we did. Needs a converter, probably a million other things. So one thing I need from you though is for you to go in that comment section, the Facebook, the Insty, that's the symbol for that, the comments, the questions, the concerns, everything you got, put it down there, smash that thumbs down, let us know we suck. And just remember, viewers, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.